beads, and I'm gonna doing it around the cuticles area and make it really nice and perfect, and also blend it along with my first bead. If you haven't tried this one, if try that and let me know how it works for you. I got to train a lot of students and a lot of my staff. They love this techniques instead of just doing one, because the reason is I find that myself, and I see a lot of students as well, when they do this like one beads ombre, they have a hard time. Like if they do perfect cuticles, then they couldn't blend this because it's dry, or if they blend it's really nice, they couldn't perfect cuticle because this one blend nice, but then on the cuticle area is dry. So that is one of the methods that I really enjoy doing it. Also, there's so many different techniques that you're doing, and I know that's going to be really great as well. So this is like, you can leave it alone like this, or you can add something on. It totally is up to you. Let's see if we want to add something on it. It doesn't have to be let's see, I bent some of this already for us, so it's go nice onto my give it, just press a little bit to go right into the powders nicely. And see what else we can do right here. I really want a big star, but I don't think the big star want to fit in that one. I try to see if like this one, it looks good. If not, you play with this and you'll find some of really cool things that are gonna be you can able to play with. Let me see if I can find something from this. I can have so much fun with this. Oh, here you go. Maybe some of this, the pastel colors. Who cares? A pastel is can be all year long. And pick some of them out here. Let's see what we're gonna find something here. And pick them up. Pick a yellow. Have fun with this. Everyone's like, I think it doesn't have to be, it's nowadays nail art is so much to play with, and the clients so enjoying it with a lot of creativities and creations from all of you. So do not limit of your potentials. It doesn't have to be, it's like, I would wear someone else in like winter time, I do not care. And then my clients are doing a lot of different cool things that you don't even think they are like going. I bet your clients are also doing the same thing. So now I'm happy with this. Maybe I should add some glitter on it. Can I get some, I'm gonna get some touch of colors and see how it's gonna turn out for us. Oh, here. You see it, how it touches. It's really cool. I just picked some of it. This collection, I don't know how long that take you, for maybe forever to finish this, which is absolutely worth it for the kids. I use that all the time, and it feels like it's never going empty on me. I even spill it like several times because I'm so clumsy. That's it. If you want plain, like earlier I said, if you want a plain, you just need to cap it clear. But you don't want a plain like the designs, you want some